Hey everybody, it's Bob again. I got this sticker from Sticker Fab put on the dash because you see it on the forums. People talk about how plain the dash is on the Broncos, and I thought I'd dress it up. I thought wasn't going to do an install video because Fab has a very detailed install video, so I didn't see any point in doing that. I just took me probably it took longer to prep to do it than it actually did to put the sticker on. I chose this one, and I'm glad that I did, because the darker colors over here actually blend right into the, in fact, there's actually a piece of sticker that goes right here. You just barely see it. I mean, you don't even hardly see it's there. And it blends right into the gray of the dash. And then they even included a little piece that goes over here. You can just barely see it there. And I think it came out pretty good. We'll see how long it holds up, but to me it was an easy installation. Probably only took 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. So I just wanted to show y'all what I'd done. Again, this was from Sticker Fab. I think the thing cost, I don't know, 12 bucks. And it's a nice dress up. If you're like me and you don't want to get, just cover your whole Bronco with stickers, but you'd like a little bit of color. And again, of course, since it's a Badlands, the orange, ties in with, well, that's kind of more yellowish, but it ties in with the orange theme of the Badlands. So anyway, this is just a show and tell. Hope y'all enjoy. Share, like, hate, comment. I'll answer questions. Take it easy.